A routine launch meant to deliver thousands of pounds of cargo to the International Space Station ends with an explosion just seconds after liftoff. Orbital Sciences, the manufacturer of the rocket, is leading the investigation behind the failed Antares launch. But back at Wallops, researchers are focused on something else.
We located only perchlorate and diesel range organics, or RP1 constituents.
4 days after the explosion, NASA's Medical and Environmental Management Division team scoured the hazard area. And with the apparent oversight handled by the Environmental Protection Agency and the Virginia Department of Environmental Quality, the incident response team found samples of RP1 and perchlorate in soil and nearby waters, especially in the crater left behind by the explosion. RP1 is a refined kerosene fuel used in stage 1 of the launch, typically the first 60 seconds. Perchlorate is the main fuel, used for the actual flight path. We're told the team's first step, scraping soil near the 50-foot wide and 10-foot deep crater. The second, pumping as much water out. To date, they've pumped the crater dry 7 times.
Well, it's hard to say what the long-term effects would be out there. We've never had this type of thing before, but we also wanted to get back in that area, and the best thing to do was trying to remove these things as much as possible.
According to the FDA, perchlorate in high doses can affect thyroid functions in humans. But researchers with NASA say the contamination will not reach the public through drinking water. And they admit it's difficult to predict long-term how the failed launch would impact the environment or wildlife. The team continues to emphasize the positive, specifically that no one was hurt during the explosion, which they attribute to preparation in the hazard zones set up about a month and a half prior to the flight.
We know that no one was injured and have not had reports of anything, and so we're confident that what we did was keep the public safe.
Lily Zhang, 47, ABC.